Guys, make sure you stay until the end. This is a component 9 out of 10 people will never replace, and if you don't, you will pay with your own health. Stay with us and we'll explain about that and how to replace cabin air filter on Volkswagen Tiguan right here. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. This is known as Volkswagen Tiguan MK1 from year 2007 to year 2017, guys. If you have one of those, you want to see where your cabin air filter is located, how to replace it. Okay, step by step, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Most people, 9 out of 10 people, do not replace those things, and you're supposed to replace them every year or every 12,000 miles. If you don't replace it, you're going to pay with your own health. Why? Because you breathe pollutants, you will breathe dirty air, you will breathe allergens, so you get allergies, you can get headaches, okay, you can feel uncomfortable in your own vehicle for just a few dollars, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We do bodywork, engines, transmissions, a little bit of everything just for you guys. Now, we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Where is the cabin air filter located? Let us explain now. If you come to the passenger side, guys, you need to go ahead, okay, open right here now. So you need to come to the passenger side. If you come underneath, okay, let us show you now. Right here you have one carpet liner underneath, guys. Okay, perfect, just like that. Here we have those turning things, okay, that you need to go and unscrew counterclockwise. One here, you have one more on this side. Go ahead, do that, guys. Check this thing out now. Let's see if that carpet will be in the way. It may or may not be, so we need to really, okay, see that. Now you grab that piece, that foam piece, careful not to crack it, not to break it, okay? But we need to pull it out. It's going to come out. You have some dust and dirt stuck there. That's where the filter is located. Here now, in order to remove it, guys, okay, we're going to go ahead, okay, and remove it now. Let me see exactly where, okay, where exactly, okay, the clips are located, so I can clearly show you guys, okay, how to do that now. So guys, now you grab that thing and you just slide it, okay, to the passenger side. It's going to come loose. Now that's the old filter, 53,000 miles on it. I guarantee you that this is original filter. I want to show you what you're breathing now, okay? Let me show you now, quick view, right there. So if we come in this way, check what's inside. All that is in the filter, guys, and you get to breathe all that stuff. So that's why it's recommended to replace it quite often. Original, our vehicle, guys, at 53,000 miles. So we get a new one in. We're going inside the car again, guys, with the new filter. We're going to position the camera right here. Okay, perfect. All we have to do, just slide it in. If you need to vacuum anything here, do it, guys, because it could be extremely dirty, by the way. So let me just get it in. It's super tight fit, by the way, okay. So I need to just get in there because it's impossible for me to see. So right here, okay, we got in, guys, okay. Just need to push it in. Perfect, everything's great. Now all we have to do, get the cover. Watch how it slides, okay, here's the thing. So align it, goes through the filter kind of thing, holds it in place, and you just push, guys, okay, until it locks in place, just like that. Install the cover, vacuum everything, and you're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time.